Oh, it wasn't. It was. Ay, ay, ay. Let's play c5. Go d6. Also, why am I suddenly playing something very aggressive here? I don't know why. This is my go-to when I need to win the game. So I don't know why I'm actually playing this in a game where I don't need to win. Thoughts on Wesley saying Fischer is better because he's American? I haven't heard that statement, nor do I particularly care. Oh, here I guess a 95 maybe? E4 feels a little bit wrong, but maybe 98 was better than knight h5. I don't know. It really does. Yeah, the knight's supposed to be on e8 here, not on h5, but whatever. I also wonder if I could have gone g5 knight f4 maybe. Yeah, 92 logical. I'm gonna play f6 here, probably knight g7 somewhere. I don't know if I had to play f6. I could have gone knight g7 and tried to reroute the knight maybe. Maybe. Position's very solid though. That's the one upside here. Very, very solid position. And logical. I'm gonna go here to maybe go after this pawn on c4 potentially. See what he does. I mean, he could go b5. He's not going to, but he could. Oh, now maybe I've got f5 maybe. Wait. g4, knight d4. g4, knight d4. Takes, king g2. I think I'm just gonna go here. It doesn't feel like the right time to gamble. Maybe, I mean, I don't know. I feel it's f5 is such a committal move. Whatever, I'm just gonna sit and wait. And I'm gonna go f5 in a move or two. Like if he goes knight g1, then I'm going f5. Higher and higher, baby. There's also knight h5. Okay, so he takes. You can take with a rook. Starting to misplay this. I'm gonna go here, knight d6 maybe. Is bishop a4, I guess. Actually, how bad is this? I don't want to trade. I'll trade anyway and go here. This actually seems maybe acceptable. Like rook e8 here, pressure the pawn. Maybe h5, h4. If knight f4, I'm gonna take and take, and that's probably should be a draw, but still a little bit dicey. Goes a4. I'm just gonna play h5. I'm not happy with my position, by the way, because there's always this knight f4 thing. Let's go h4. I mean, I could offer him a draw. No, why?